What is a perfect score in a game of bowling? 10, 100, 300. The highest score possible in bowling is 300. To score 300 points, you'd have to bowl 12 strikes in a row. In which country were the first modern Olympic Games held in 1896? United States, Greece, England. Ancient Greece was home to the ancient Olympic Games, and the first modern Olympic Games were held there too. What is the name of this piece of gymnastics equipment? The uneven parallel bars. The split-level gymnast bars. The spring bars. Gymnasts perform elaborate routines on the uneven parallel bars.
Like, comment, subscribe.
According to baseball tradition, when do you hear a crowd sing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game"? Before the third inning hot dog rush. After the final out. During the seventh inning stretch. Written in 1908, "Take Me Out to the Ball Game" is considered the unofficial anthem of baseball in the United States and is usually sung during the seventh inning stretch. Which is the oldest baseball stadium in use in Major League Baseball? Fenway Park, Yankee Stadium, Whoville Park. Fenway Park, the oldest Major League Baseball stadium still in use, first opened in 1912. Fenway Park is in Boston, Massachusetts. Which driver has won the most races in Formula One history? Sebastian Vettel, Goggles Pisano, Michael Schumacher. Michael Schumacher won a total of 91 Formula One races before he retired. True or false? Figure skating was given its name because skaters had to figure out which jumps and spins to perform. True. False. The sport is called figure skating because skaters originally carved figures or patterns into the ice with their skates. How many players make up an official indoor volleyball team? 10, 2, 6. An indoor volleyball team includes 6 players. Each player has his or her own position. The Ryder Cup is an international golf competition that began in 1927 featuring which two countries? England and Scotland. England and the United States. Japan and China. The first Ryder Cup competition was held in Massachusetts and featured players from England and the United States. True or false? Snooker is a game that is similar to golf. True. False. Snooker is a type of billiards, or pool. True or false? The America's Cup is one of the most famous trophies in sailing. True. False.